How to fix the issue with Robinhood application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Robinhood application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Apple Store in your device and search for Robinhood application. And now, if you see the option of update, do update the application. Now sometimes the issue could also be with the server of the application. So for that, we need to head towards the Down Detector website and search for Robinhood server. If you see no problem at Robinhood, that means the issue is with your own device and not the server. Now, after you have updated the application, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to restart your device and then try logging out from your Robinhood account and logging back in. That's it. Just by following this easy step, you will be able to fix the issue with Robinhood application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.